Welcome to my channel Mixed Media and More. I'm Beth and I'm glad you found me. Today I'm back with an art journal page. Well, sort of. I'm in a Facebook group called Crazy Pages. It is an event run by Ayala Art where we are groups of about 10 people to make pages to send out via snail mail. I did use for my 10 pages some black drawing paper, and now I'm gonna use the Gelliplate, some pearl pen paint and one acrylic paint to make the backgrounds. I like to have a plain background before I start with all the tools and stencils. For the backside I just did roll out some paint. So I have a first layer on my paper. Now it is time for all the mark making tools and stencils. I won't bother you with all the 10 pages. Just give you some ideas how it came together and what kind of tools I use. So here you could see me using first a brayer and then an empty sewing thread spool as well as a homemade silicone structure sheet. Next, I use a mat from the kitchen department. It is meant to go into the sink, but who cares? Nope, not the homemade stencil this time. But what about the fruit wrapping thingy? And the paper dollies are always fun to use. Of course, I had to try out if my pages worked. So I printed out one of my faces on some ordinary copier paper and then colored in, mostly with Prismacolors and the Aqua pen from Spectrum Noir. I just wanted to let you know I don't work that quick. I did speed up that video most of the time 2 times, sometimes 3 times. In the area where I wanted to place my face, I have added some vintage book page. Next, I want to glue down with Liquitex matte again some napkins which I use to catch drippings and oversprays. Just to make it clear, I will send off the pages with the background only, and of course some copied faces, so everybody can have their page in whatever way they want. Every girl needs a pretty dress, so I make a pattern with some plain paper to use it with the printed book page you can see on the left side. Additionally, I punched out some hearts from the leftovers. Adding some details in black, and then I call it done. Next week I will show you what I have done to the backside. And I will probably have more videos when I get my pages and let you know what I do with them.